Hello and welcome to another update video about Doge. So Doge has not yet moved up impulsively from the recent low. It is still possible that this is extending as some kind of a wider wave 4 triangle pattern, for example, but the idea is that this is a pattern that ideally would break out to the upside. Still waiting for it. Correction takes a bit of time. Started around the 11th of November, 12th of November, not a problem. It's consolidating on a very high level. There is currently no sign that a larger top is in place. In fact, it's actually holding really well. It's reacted to the 23.6 retracement of our support area, a very shallow correction. Looks more like a sideways correction. It is possible that this fifth wave of the internal third wave is already unfolding, but as I said, it's not really moving up impulsively yet. Looks a bit choppy, but could be an ending diagonal for this wave 5. I can very much imagine that it's forming like a diagonal 1, 2, maybe A, B, C in wave 3, then a wave 4, then a wave 5 towards the 60 cent mark. That's the next upside level to watch. It's already reacted to that next one in that high B wave at 48.5 cents, but really for that wave 5, I'd like to get to the next one above, which is at 59.5 cents at around about 60 cents before we form a top in this third wave, and before then the next pullback in this fourth wave actually starts. And I mean, the support region remains relevant, right? Because we thought it might only form a very shallow correction or move down in this C wave, we added here the 100% extension and this blue micro target zone, which it reacted to. And I highlighted to you in the last updates, we need a break above that last swing high around 44.4 cents to really suggest wave 5 has started. Now this is exactly where the price is now, so at a key decision point, I would say. Currently holding above around 0.4444 or something, which is a bit of a weird number actually. So this is this is what we are currently dealing with. Hold on. And let's take a look at the larger time frame as well. And this is Doge long term, because there's nothing else to talk about really on that smaller time frame. Just moving this over here. Oops. And if we now consider that we are in a bullish structure overall because we're holding all support levels, then we can also talk about the cycle targets for this move to the upside. And I'd like to see Doge actually get to around about 132 to 211 in this cycle, at least as reasonable next targets over the coming weeks, maybe months. I don't see a top in yet. I think we are in this, you could say, messy 4-5 structure now. So we might actually over the coming weeks move sideways before we get that final move up, because yes, higher in 5, then a larger 4, I mean wave 5 of 3, then a larger 4, then a larger 5, then a larger 4, then the final 5, right? This is sort of how I think it could unfold, which might actually look like some kind of an expanding triangle eventually. That's speculative at this stage, but what I want to share, unless we really extend really crazy, my idea is that we should spend some time in this sideways range. And that's not because we are in a large correction. It's just, we need one more high in wave 3. Then the wave 4 pullback, because it's a larger degree, could send us into the region of the previous one. Then this might push us a little higher, but this is again a larger degree wave 4, which matches this wave 2 that bottomed in June 23. So we might see a little bit of sideways action before it then sets up for this final wave 5 to the upside. At least that is best I can tell the structure that I expect for Doge to form in this cycle. Further upside extensions always possible, but this structure also matches very well what I'm watching for on the Bitcoin chart. It's just that, of course, I can't tell you it will stop at 59.6 cents. I mean, if it pushes higher to 84 cents, which is the next one, by the way, it's also the all-time high here in this area around 77 cents, then these cycle targets will likely push eventually higher as well. Just want to remove these lines. So I think the levels should be clear. Important is that once this larger wave 4 starts, this support area will have to be adjusted. I mean, at the moment it's adjusted correctly with support between 20.7 and 32.5 cents. But if we go a little higher in this third wave, it will have to be adjusted. And then it's a moving support area until wave 5 of 3 is complete. that's the update about Doge. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.